Another new feature in version 4.0 is what we call staged system updates. So, in the past, if you had a system with multiple servers and you wanted to upgrade to a new version, you would go in and do the one-click system-wide updates, right? Just a refresher, system administration updates. And this is where you would do your upgrade. You could update to a specific build, you can update offline, you can update online. There are lots of different ways to do an upgrade. But when you started an upgrade, what would happen was your client would download the upgrade package and then it would push it to each available server. Now, that's great if you're on the same local area network and you've only got a few servers. It typically is going to work without a problem. But if you're in an environment where you've got a system that's set up in remote locations with servers spread across many locations, you'd have to wait basically for the update package to be pushed, and then the upgrade would take place. And a lot of times, or not a lot of times, sometimes one of the servers may get disconnected during that process and may not fully upgrade, and so you have to go in and do it again, or manually do it. So in order to make the whole upgrade and update process much more stable, much more reliable, now we have what's called staged updates. So I've actually recorded a video, because it's a little hard to do, where I have done the upgrade process, and I'll just explain it here. So I go into system administration, go to updates, going to update to a specific build. In this case, it's going to be 29640, and then I've got to put in the upgrade password, which is some gibberish that our guys put together. It's generated, and you can see now it's ready for upgrading. So when I press download, what's going to happen is it's going to download all the updates that I need. Now, since I'm connected with my client, it's going to download a new client first, and then it's going to download the update packages for all the servers in the system. At the time was the NX2, my one server, and my desktop computer, right? So you can see these downloads happening. Now the updates are being downloaded directly to each server, as opposed to being downloaded all to one location. And then it's going to be, the system's going to go and it's going to check and make sure that everything's been delivered before the upgrade process actually begins. And this way you can make sure that all the update packages are deployed to each server in the system, and that the upgrade is going to be much more reliable. So once this is downloaded and upgraded, I'll move forward a little bit. So this video isn't too long. You can see it's installing now in all those locations, right? When it's installed, you'll see a little check mark, right? Let's say that it's installed and ready. And the number will turn to green and move forward again, so you can still wait. So now we've got the 3 servers installed. As they're being installed, they'll go offline. Oop. And when it's done, you'll see the system has come back online. We'll log out and reconnect like before, and now you can see that the version is up to 29640. All components have been upgraded and the upgrade process complete. So slightly different change to the way that the upgrade process works for NX Witness VMS. Should be much more reliable, and that's why it was introduced in version 4.0.